Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to Mysteries from Beyond the Other Dominion. I'm your host, Dr. Franklin Ruehl. Now, enigmatic square craters. Yes, square craters. Roll tape.
To show you a square crater. But first, the trivia question of the day. Let me extricate here from its paper prison. The question: what is the name of the largest asteroid in our solar system? Now this is multiple choice in alphabetical order. A, Aries; B, Sirius; E, Eros; D, Juno; E, Matus; or F, Vesta. Now the only prize is one pat on the back that you'll have to administer to yourself if and only if you have the correct answer. If you want $1 million, call Regis Phillips. But please, please don't call us. We don't have any operators to take your calls. And if we did, we still could not afford prizes. I'll take a sip of water and be back momentarily with that correct answer. Okay, I'm calling time. Time? Now, let me show you the 6 possible answers here. Aries, Sirius, Eros, Juno, Metis, and Vesta. One is correct, and I'm not going to offer any of those wimpy lifelines. No, you have to do it on your own hook. And of course I have to ask, is that your final answer? Vesta is the largest asteroid in our solar system? No, it's Sirius. Sirius has a diameter of 453 miles. It actually, of course, is the largest and the first discovered of the asteroids because it was the largest. Initially, when astronomers took photographic plates of the heavens, they noticed these streaks of light that looked like worms. That's because asteroids, being closer to Earth, would move compared to, say, a star which would remain stationary from our viewpoint. So they left these little worm-like tracks, and they were called originally the vermin of the sky. Now, the asteroid of interest today is tiny Eros. It only has a diameter of 20 miles. But recently, NASA has been exploring it with the Near-Shoemaker probe and came up with this amazing photo of square craters. Please note we have 2 definite square craters, catty-cornered, and possibly 2 others opposite to those. Now, we know there are no square planets, no square meteors, no square comets, and no square asteroids. What could have impacted the surface of Eros to form a square crater? Now, one thought, of course, might be some sort of exotic spacecraft comparable to the Borg cubes shown on Star Trek, or perhaps this is evidence of some astroengineering on Eros being carried out by aliens. I'm not suggesting they live there, but perhaps they were using this as a base, and this is what they left. This is the handiwork that they left behind. Of course, conservative scientists are saying this is some sort of bizarre natural weathering process. We just couldn't have a square crater. There are no square objects that could have made that. Well, I'm arguing this certainly looks artificial to me, and I'm suggesting it calls for further study. This may be evidence that we're not alone in the universe. Square craters, seen first on Mysteries from Beyond the Other Dominion. Yes.
Now, until next time, may the power of the cosmos and of the square craters be with you. Yes, yes, yes.